The ocean covers 70% of our planet, and we estimate that only 10% of marine species have been discovered.
We have information, yes we do, but not enough. We urgently need to build up a baseline that will give us the possibility to understand what will be the changes in the future. The past is the key to the present is the key for the future.
In our first 16 months, Ocean Census and its network have discovered hundreds of new species across a range of taxa, including sharks, pipefish, corals, sponges, and even sea angels.
We've gone to lots of different habitats and we've discovered a whole range of new species, from fish to snails to corals and sea cucumbers, things like that. Really interesting species that are going to be new to science.
Estoy mirando una especie nueva de caracol marino que hemos colectado ayer.
The thing about knowing that we have another new species to go with the ones that are already there is that then we can develop conservation measures for it if it needs it. We didn't even know this thing existed until about a year ago.
The more we know, and the better we know them, the better we can protect them.
Every species that we find is part of the library of the ingenuity of nature. It has had to adapt to the conditions in which it lives, so that's why deep sea biodiversity matters, and that it's important that we continue to protect it for the future.
Every species discovery deepens our understanding of life in our ocean and the critical importance of all life on Earth.